The complexities of tax planning are critical to a business's longevity due to a variety of factors. Flynn Accounting of Colorado Springs is the area's leading firm in working with small businesses to navigate the risk of owning and operating a business in today's business climate. Now, tax planning issues promise to take on new meaning in 2013, with Congress sharply divided on the nation's spending plans and desperation to create new revenue. With the government spending $1.44 for every $1 generated, it's a recipe for financial disaster in the country. The best solution for small businesses throughout the country is to implement very aggressive tax planning strategies designed to maximize profits, minimize the tax hit, and sock away as much money as is legally possible. Now, over the last 5 years, there's been an 800% increase in penalties assessed on individuals and a 300% increase in penalties assessed on businesses. Small business is definitely in the crosshairs of the IRS, and tax planning is the only way to avoid it. And to show just how profitable audits are for the IRS, consider these statistics. The IRS has singled out 2,500 small corporations with less than $250,000 in assets for intense audits. Now, the IRS recoups $702 per hour in tax and penalties when auditing small businesses. And the IRS recoups $9,173 per hour in taxes and penalties when auditing larger corporations. Audits have skyrocketed at every level of business. Flynn Accounting's tax planning services include a highly in-depth knowledge of tax policy. Brian Flynn and Esther Daniels are both licensed to practice before the Internal Revenue Service. Now, in layman's terms, that means Brian and Esther encompass all the knowledge of IRS auditors, but direct their talents toward helping business owners avoid IRS issues through proper tax planning. This is the kind of strength you need on your side. So contact Flynn Accounting for a complimentary consultation regarding your tax planning situation, and consider starting a new relationship with an accounting firm that takes a different approach in working with clients, one based upon trust, mutual respect, and a valued partnership.